Hello students, I am going to tell you about present simple tense. But before it, we revise tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And all these tenses have four types: present tense, present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense, future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. This simple tense means present simple, past simple and future simple is also called present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense or future indefinite tense. What is present simple tense? Present simple tense means daily routine. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. My mother prepares breakfast for us. My father also gets ready for office. Here are some rules for the sentences. To form positive sentences with I, we, you, they and plural subject, we use V1 form of the verb. With he, she, it and singular third person, we use the verb with s or es. Remember that we don't use any helping verb in present simple positive sentences. In short, we can say to form present simple tense positive sentences, first we write subject, then verb with s or es, then object and then others. Remember, don't use s or es with I, we, you and plural subjects. For example, I study in St. Aloysius School. The sun rises in the east. The stars shine at night. He goes to temple daily. You play well. They tease me in the class. You can see with I, we did not use s or es with the verb. The sun, it is singular third person. With this, we use as s with rise. The stars, it is plural. That's why we did not use s or es with the verb shine. He goes. He is a singular third person. That's why with verb we use es. Go plus es. You play well. With you we did not use s or es in the verb. They tease me. With they also we did not use s or es with the verb. Now negative sentences. In negative sentences we use helping verb do or does. Then not, then first form of the verb. In short, we can say first we write the subject, then do or does according to the subject, then not, then verb, then object and others. Remember, we use do with I, we, you and plural subject. We use does with he, she, it and singular third person. For example, I do not study in St. Aloysius School. The sun does not rise in the west. You don't play well. He does not go to temple daily. They do not tease me in the class. Now, present simple interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative sentences. First, the sentences which begin with a helping verb which we answer in yes or no. Second, the sentences which begin with question word, that is what, who, why, etc. The helping verb of interrogative sentences or present simple tenses do or does. First, the sentences which begin with helping verb which we answer in yes or no. First we write do or does, then subject, then verb, then object, then others and then question mark. Don't forget to make question mark. For example, do you study in St. Aloysius School? Do I tease you? Does he play well? Second, the sentences which begin with question word, that is what, who, why, etc. To form this sentence, first we write question word. WH means question word. Then helping verb do or does according to the subject. Then subject, then verb, then object, then others and question mark. For example, why do they tease you? Where do you study? Where does the sun rise? In the next video, I will tell you about present continuous tense. Thanks for watching.